Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the absolute simplest ways to import audio files into FL Studio 21, whether you're dealing with vocal stems, drum loops, or sound effects. The absolute quickest method is the direct drag and drop technique. Open your computer's File Explorer, select your audio file, and drag it directly into the empty space of the playlist arrangement window to create a new audio clip channel automatically. Alternatively, you can drop it straight onto the channel rack to trigger it via MIDI notes later. If you want a more organized workflow, you can add your personal sample folders permanently to the FL Studio browser menu on the left. To do this, hit Options at the top menu, click on File Settings, and under the Browse Extra Search Folder section, click a blank folder icon to link your directory. Now, your files will appear right in the side panel, allowing you to preview sounds instantly before dragging them onto your track. If your imported loop feels out of tempo, simply double-click the audio clip, look at the sample settings window, right-click the time knob, and select Auto Detect to match the project's exact beats per minute. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.